Today I am going to describe about how to speak in English languages, and I give you all basic and simple English tips. Then if you use these tips and tricks, then definitely you can speak better and you will become a good speaker. Now I also use that types these rules and strategy I'm following, and I want to share with you. So if you want to improve your spoken English, firstly you have to focus on your ability and your consistency. And every day you have to practice English. And improving English communication takes practice, strategy, consistency. Here I am give you some tips and tricks. Let me explain one by one. So first one is build a strong fun function. Functions is made you have to focus on grammar and you have to learn vocabulary. It's a very important. You have to learn every day 5 to 6 vocabulary. It's 10. It's depend on you how you can acquire the knowledge and sec- and pronunciation. You have to focus on your pronunciation, how you can speak, how the way you can speaking. Pronunciation. If you have to help how you can pronounce the vocabulary, you go on a YouTube and some apps for pronunciation using like Duolingo and others many apps are there available in the market. You have to search about that and you use every day. And second is a listening practice. It's a very important thing. You have to listen English podcast, listen, watch audiobook in English, and watch movies in English languages. It's important to understand the language and it's necessary. And third point is speaking practice. It's a very, very important topic I'm going to share with you. If you don't try to speak in an English language, then you cannot speak. You have to at least try to speak in English languages. Speak daily, even if you alone, and like how you can speak. Describe about your daily routine in English language. Describe about your neighborhood. Describe about your college, school. Describe about your family background. Describe about your studies in English language. It's important for you and it's a very helpful. That things and you have to record it and after that you have to watch this how which kinds of mistake you are doing in a practicing and describing and how way to you speak in a front of cameras. And fourth point is reading and writing. It's important. You have to read some articles, newspaper, and book. You have to read, and you have to write every day any poet, any paragraph. You have to write. It's a improve your vocabulary and knowledge also. And five thing is think in English. Without this trick, you cannot improve your English communication. You have to think in English. You don't need to translate every single words. You have to focus on your brain and you have to use your brain to think in English languages. Stop translating in Hindi and other languages like English. Do not translate. You have to think about how we can speak in English, and you have to make sentences in the English language. Then you can get, first time you are doing these tips and tricks, you are getting frustrated, but after sometimes you are doing well, definitely. And last one is I told you learn accent and fluency and how it's possible to learn accent and fluency. So focus on clear pronunciation, not speed. As you are beginner, you have to focus on your pronunciation, how you speak. You don't need to focus on speed. You have to speak slowly. You have to, you know, effort each and every word. You give your 100% on the every single words. Like you don't go to speak now. My name is Samran. I'm doing this that. You don't speak fastly. You have to speak slowly, and you have to focus on your only on pronunciation. Pronunciation is a very important for you as a beginner, and you don't need to focus on speed and practice a tongue twister. You go and how you get a tongue twister and what is tongue twister firstly. So tongue twister is a mainly used for clear your vocal cord and it's help to your you know make a clarity in a languages. So you have to go in a Google and chat GPT. You have to search. Give me a some tongue twister in English. Then chat GPT and Google is gives you many tongue twister. You select two, three, four tongue twister and write down your copy and practice every single day. It's a very useful because if you not pronunciation your pronunciation is not clear, then you can get not confidence because you are not speaking clearly. That's why you are making upset and you are thinking I'm not a good speaker. Many types of problems and thoughts create in our mind. Negativity is also. So you have to take patience and try again and again. Then you can do it. And last is consistency and confidence. This one is a very important part in our video, and this part is very important. Practice at least 10 to 30 minutes English every day. Average 15 to 30 minutes English language. You have to practice, and if you have a time, then you can give a more time on these languages. And instant along influence by scenarios. So this is the main way. And if you want to get confidence, you have to practice the all things in every day. I give you almost 7 tips on this English languages, and if you want to literally improve your English communication skills, so you have to practice the all things in every single day. It's beneficial for you, and literally it's work. So this is the tip and tricks today I am share with you, and this is a very knowledgeable video, and it's helpful for you and every beginners. And one thing I'm saying last, if you literally want to improve your English, so firstly you have to consistently practice. Every single day you have to do practice, and practice make you perfect one day. and you have to use these tips every single day. Then one day you can definitely speak in English very good and in a very good way. Thank you for watching me, and please do subscribe and press the bell icon.